Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Nosphere. In this video, we are going to know about the general characteristics of English language and what makes it the global language. English is the most speaking language in the whole world and is also now considered as world language. It is the dominant language of USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand and various island nations in the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. There are 59 sovereign states and 27 non-sovereign entities where English was official language. It is also an official language of the India, the Philippines, Singapore and many countries in sub-Saharan Africa including South Africa. English has been first choice of foreign language in most other countries of the world and has been an administrative and judicial language of some countries. Though there were political and commercial reasons for the spread of English all over the world, there are linguistic and structural reasons which made English so popular. First characteristic: extraordinary receptive and adaptable heterogeneousness. The varied ease and readiness with which it has assimilated material from almost everywhere in the world. The borrowing in English is easy and flexible. It was pure and mixed during the Anglo-Saxon period. Later, it began to receive all kinds of foreign elements throughout its history. English has borrowed from almost all languages. Heterogeneous words are taken from major world languages. Second characteristic: simplicity of inflections. According to Britannica, English words have been slowly simplified from the inflected variable forms found in Sanskrit, Greek, Latin, Russian, and German towards invariable forms as in Chinese and Vietnamese. For example, the German and Chinese words for the noun man are exemplary. German has 5 noun forms of noun man: man, mans, mane, manner, manen. Chinese has one form, ren. English stands in between with the 4 forms man, mans, men, mens. In English, only nouns, pronouns and adjectives and verbs are inflected. English maintain minimum inflection. It is easy to understand the relationship of words in sentence with only a minimum change in their shapes or variation of endings such as write, writes, writing, writer, etc. There are languages like Chinese that have surpassed Earth in reduction of inflections in language. Chinese language looks like just a series of fixed monosyllables root. Third characteristic: clarity of sounds. The vowels and consonants of English are clearly defined and properly pronounced. It do not have any slurring of consonants except in case of R sound. The sounds are also comparatively independent. Fourth characteristic: economical benefits to language of men. It is characterized by brevity, terseness, and conciseness of speech, using of minimum words to express maximum information. For example, to say thanks is shorter but less elegant than to say thank you. Fifth characteristic: relative fixed order. A consequence of the simplification of inflections, word order which is characterized by great consistency and orderliness. Consistency and orderliness in the arrangement and expression also. Sixth characteristic: rich and varied vocabulary. As it contains words borrowed from various languages of the world, this large scale borrowing added variety to English. The Sanskrit, Greek, Latin, Scandinavian, French, Persian, Russian words are received and assimilated into English. In addition, English has other basic characteristic, that is flexibility of functions. Flexibility of function has grown over the last 5 centuries as consequence of the loss of inflections. Words formerly distinguished as nouns or verbs by differences in their forms are now often used as both nouns and verbs. For example, booking a place or placing a book, lifting a thumb or thumbing the lift. So these were the characteristics which makes English the global language or the foremost spoken language of the world. So friends, this was the general characteristics of English language. Hope you loved this. Do like, share and subscribe the channel Nosphere for more such interesting videos. Thank you.